Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center is Santa Cruz's premier provider of skilled nursing, post-acute care, and rehabilitation services. We're dedicated to one simple principle: achieving the highest standards of care and caring. We achieve this goal in partnership with our guests and their families, our associates, and the communities we serve. At Hearts and Hands, caring is more than providing excellent medical treatment and guest services. It's also being a companion and treating each guest with the utmost dignity, respect, and compassion.
They gave me a list of a bunch of names of places. And I looked at my son and I said, well, I want you to research this. He researched them all and put everything in front of me and pros and cons, and I made a selection of Hearts and Hands.
At Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center, caring is our main concern. We believe that the most effective way to provide compassionate care is to maintain high medical integrity, maintain a team spirit among staff, and provide friendly, comfortable, and nurturing surroundings for our patients and their visitors. Although most transitions are not easy, we strive to facilitate that process with an environment where our rehabilitation guests and long-term residents feel informed and comfortable. Our team of qualified professionals helps patients recover from surgery, injury, or serious illness. They understand the importance of creating a comfortable and nurturing atmosphere, whether our patients are here for short-term treatment or long-term care.
1, 2, 3, push up, stand up. That's it. It's been a while for him since his stroke, and he's been down a while, and he just started walking again after about, he's been a month down. So now Freddie's walking, and this is amazing for Freddie. We're bringing him back. Are you standing up tall? Yeah. Getting taller all the time? Yeah. All right. Freddie's making huge progress with us. He's now walking after having a pretty major stroke. So here he goes. He's walking again. It's been about a month, and hopefully we're going to transition from the parallel bars to the front wheel walker soon. That's our goal. You doing good?
Yeah.
You ready to walk some more?
Yeah.
All right.
The Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center story begins at skilled nursing and rehabilitation. Hearts and Hands provides both short-term and long-term guests with comprehensive healthcare services in a comfortable, home-like environment that promotes the highest level of independence and life quality. As a rehab patient or guest, we'll work with your physician to craft a care plan that provides for a speedy transition from hospital to home, and we'll do a home evaluation to make sure your house is ready. With orthopedic surgery or another major medical procedure in your future, post-operative care and rehabilitation therapy are a fact of life. At Hearts and Hands, you can work with specially trained therapists in a comfortable hometown setting. From physical and occupational therapy to speech therapy, our therapists will work closely with you to develop a rehabilitative care program tailored to meet your specific needs. And therapy is available 7 days a week. Every facet of rehabilitative care at Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center is designed to support a personalized, comfortable rehabilitation experience that will get you better and get you home as quickly as possible.
My responsibilities here in Hearts and Hands, I'm a rehab director, and I meet the patients to establish their goals.
One of the most important features at Hearts and Hands is the Omni VR. The Omni VR is the world's first virtual rehabilitation system designed specifically for the needs of geriatric patients and more medically complex conditions. This easy-to-use technology improves exercise participation, repetition, and duration by recreating the patient's movements in a 3D, real-time interactive experience.
That gives him different varieties, walking sideways, backwards, forwards, and it's like a drill for him to be able to integrate in the community on a higher level, where he has to stop all of a sudden because somebody is passing by him.
I got it.
Yes, he got it.
I did it.
Then when it's completed and done, he gets a nice bouquet of flowers.
Yes.
And
oh my
at the
God.
end, when he get a report, how many points he made, he's 61 points. And that took 5 minutes of the exercise. Then we can challenge him for a higher level.
I got it.
Yes, he got it.
I did it.
Recreational services at Hearts and Hands can bring joy to life through companionship, activities, and laughter. We strive to help you enjoy your daily life by offering activities that interest you. Our staff will ask what your interests and hobbies are and introduce you to new ideas for recreation. We will establish an individualized activity program based on your interests and hobbies. You'll receive a monthly calendar that features all the schedule of events, times, and locations so you can plan your activities in advance. Hearts and Hands offers a variety of recreational programs and events, including community involvement. Church services are offered to you at least once a week for multiple denominations. We plan special events to celebrate or commemorate the holidays. We take special community trips to a favorite restaurant, shopping mall, to the boardwalk, beach, or public event. There's a variety of books, games, puzzles, arts and crafts, materials, and music that are always available for you to enjoy while relaxing in your room or with family or other guests. We have discussion groups that review events, both current and historical. If you have always enjoyed reading the daily paper and discussing the news with friends, we have a group for you.
I am happy here. I want to go home, but until I can get off of the IVs and make sure I can go home, this is the place where I want to be. First 2 days I was in here, I was glad I came, because it make you feel welcome. Everybody from the top clear down, doesn't matter whether they're housekeeping or whether they're administration or what. If somebody needs help, they see a call light on, they're there to answer it. And the activities, they've got something going on all the time for the residents. It doesn't just start at 9:30 in the morning and close at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Even after 5 o'clock, they have activities. They have movie night, TV, where they have popcorn and movie matinees, movie night, game nights.
Our recreation services are designed so that if you require any kind of special equipment or environment to allow you to participate in the activities, we can arrange it. Invite your family and friends to join you in our recreation events. Hearts and Hands provides a complete range of services for patients that are unable to return home after hospitalization. Our programs provide a safe transition from hospital to home with a depth of services that typically cannot be provided through home health care or by family members. We help our guests achieve their highest possible level of physical, social, and emotional independence while recovering in our home-like environment. Our comprehensive transitional and long-term care services include private rooms, Medicare medical assistance and Veterans Affairs programs, rehabilitation therapies, 24-hour skilled nursing, complex care capabilities such as tracheotomy and IV management, a memory care unit in a reassuring, flexible, and safe environment, a community site for a dementia care support group, therapies for wound and pain management and lymphedema, on-site visits from medical professionals, daily activities such as art, music, social gatherings, and pet visits, an emergency response system, free transportation for all new admissions, 3 delicious and nutritious meals a day, housekeeping and laundry services, a barber and beauty salon, scheduled transportation, short-term respite stays, compassionate hospice care, and registered wound care certified nurses, therapists, dietitians, social workers, and other professionals on call. Every day, staff members of Hearts and Hands ask, what difference am I going to make in someone's life today?
Think about I will see residents out enjoying the fresh air, the sun, and I greet them. I greet the staff. Everybody appears to be friendly. Then I come in and I make sure that my staff is here.
Locally owned and operated, Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center provides compassionate caring, rehabilitation, and skilled nursing services to the residents of the Santa Cruz Monterey Bay region. Every Hearts and Hands team member has a vested interest in our services and programs and the relationships we have with our patients, residents, family members, healthcare partners, and each other. This is our commitment to caring. We know choosing the right center for your skilled nursing and rehabilitation needs often comes when you least expect it. At Hearts and Hands, we're here to help during those times to help make those stressful decisions easier. We want you to know our family is ready to help your family, and we invite you to explore our website. Call, send an email, or better yet, come for a tour. Hearts and Hands Post-Acute Care and Rehabilitation Center.